Welcome to QuoteUp Tutorials. In this video, we will look at how to use the markup tool. Let's begin. Start by creating a new quote. You can add your client and site details, or you can skip to quote details. At the quote details step, select the Detail 1 tab. Here, you can add a photo using the camera, or you can tap the gallery and select a photo from your gallery. Once an image has been selected, tap Done to access the Tool panel to begin marking up. The Tool panel will allow you to enter a text box, add arrows, add free form scribbles, add measurement information using the ruler tool, add an identifier to use as a reference in your quote descriptions, or add a box to cover an area on the image. You can change the color, positioning, and size of the image markups. Double tapping on the text markup lets you edit the text. If you need to delete a markup, simply select and tap the Delete button. Once you have completed your markups, you can add a label to the image. Once completed, tap on the tick icon to save the image. You can now add a job title and provide a job description. This will be seen on your quote as shown in the preview. For further help, please contact our customer support team and remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for regular handy hints.